Welcome to the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. The Elevation truck's powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine and made it up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior: power windows, locks and mirrors, drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, column shifter, push button ignition, a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with Apple Carplay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control with heated front seats, integrated chiller braking system, and dual USB ports. Truck has the all black interior, double glove box locking bottom, and our heated cloth bucket seats up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra Elevation, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Trail Runner AT tires. We have a double cab, so the shorter cab with the short doors on the back, still have keyless entry all around, Elevation on the front door, V8 5.3 liter plaque on the front fender. To the front of the truck, color matched front bumper, grille as well, LED daytime running lamps and fog lights. Beautiful looking front end, all blacked out. Rear tinted privacy windows, long box for a 1500 X31 off-road package, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, as well as the GM Multi Pro tailgate with the backup camera. Jumping into the interior here, we have the cloth 60/40 split, both end seats here car seat ready, solid rear window with defrost, solid roof over top with LED lighting, as well as dual USB ports. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.